Hello children, good morning.
Now we'll do the reading of the poem. You listen carefully. Okay. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout. While here and there with quiet air, groups of children walk about. I'll repeat again. Girls and boys makes lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there with quiet air groups of children walk about. Next answer. A game begins but no one wins, although they play with might and men. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Again, I'll repeat the stanza. A game begins but no one wins, although they play with might and men. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Here, we are not saying the poet name because the poet name is unknown. So the writer is not confirmed. So the poet's name is not given in this poem. Right? So now you read one time quietly in your mind. And then we'll go for next. Okay. Now I'll ask few questions, very interesting questions. I know you will able to answer that question. Very easy and interesting question. First question, I'll ask you about the rhyming words. I'll ask you question, you have to find out the rhyming word from the given stanza and tell me. What is the rhyming word for boys? Anybody? Yes, noise, you are right. Boys, noise. What is rhyming word for the deer? Anybody? There. Air. Yes, excellent. There, air. Very good. And same stanza, third rhyming word. Who will guess? Let me know. Shout. Out. Out word is not given in this stanza. I want from the poem. Shout rhyming word. Find out. About. Very good. Shout about. Excellent. Now first pair of rhyming word is boys. Second pair, boys, noise. Second is there, air. And third is shout about. Very good. Now we'll move to the next stanza. Now this is the second stanza. Now I'll ask again the one word. You have to give me the rhyming word for that word. Begins, wins. Yes, begins, wins. You are right. And what is the rhyming word for before? Guess, easy. Over. Yes, you are correct. And one more pair. Main rhyming word? Again. Main, again. Very good. Now in this stanza we get the three rhyming words. First is a begin, wins. Second, before, over. And third, main, again. Right. You are correct. These are the pair of rhyming words. Total how many pair we got in this poem? How many pair we got? First stanza, 3 pair. And second stanza, 3 pair. 3 plus 3, 6 pair. 6 rhyming words you have to write in your notebook, right? Is it interesting? Yes, very good. Okay, children. Now it's a singing time. You have to listen me carefully and then you have to sing with me, right? Are you ready? Start? Yes. Listen carefully. Turn. Look here and there. Girls and boys makes lots of noise. Say with me. Girls and boys makes lots of noise. Very good. And run and jump and laugh and shout. Say. And run and jump and laugh and shout. Very good. While here and there with quiet air. Repeat. While here and there with quiet air. Groups of children walk about. Say. Groups of children walk about. Now you sing with me. Girls and boys makes lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout while here and there with quiet air. Groups of children walk about. Very good. Now we'll move to the second stanza. Sing the second stanza. You listen first me and then repeat. A game begins but no one wins. A game begins but no one wins. Very good. Although they play with might and main. Although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over. For long before the game is over. The bell rings out for school again. Repeat. The bell rings out for school again. Now, again you will repeat with me without break, right? A game begins but no one wins. Although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over. The bell rings out for school again. The bell rings out for school again. Thank you.